What are minerals? Now there are certain things, that is there are five major components, that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. We already discussed about carbohydrates, we already discussed about fat, we already discussed about protein and vitamins. We are now going to discuss about minerals. What are minerals? They are needed by our body in small amounts, okay, in very small amounts they are needed by our body, not so more and not so less, okay, and each mineral is very essential for our body, okay. Now just look at the pictures of the sources of vitamins. Vitamin A, sources of vitamin A: milk, fish oil, carrot, papaya. These are the sources of vitamin A. Then the sources of vitamin B: liver. Then there are some grains. These are the sources of vitamin B. Then there are some sources of vitamin C, that is lemon, amla, tomato, orange, guava. And some sources of vitamin D are milk, butter, egg, fish, etc. Okay. Now, minerals are very important for the growth of the body and to maintain good health. Okay, minerals are needed in very small amounts for the growth of the body and maintain good health. Some sources of different minerals are shown in figure 2.10. Okay, these are some sources of minerals. Now, there are different types of minerals, and that includes iodine, phosphorus, iron, and calcium. The sources of iodine would be fish, spinach, ginger, crab, and I think there is curd in a bowl. Then there are some sources of phosphorus, that is milk, banana, chili, and some grains. Then sources of iron are apple, spinach, guava, and I think that's meat. Then there are some sources of calcium. Some sources of calcium are milk and egg. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name
Yes,
different
ma'am.
minerals?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name different minerals?
Yes, grain.
Different minerals, beta. That is iodine, phosphorus, calcium, and iron. Okay.
Yes.
Iodine, phosphorus, calcium, and iron.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, in
some
iodine.
sources, huh?
Ma'am, in iodine there is spinach, fish, curd.
Huh, yes. And some sources of different minerals are shown in the figure, and we already saw that. Most food items usually have more than one nutrient. Is that right? Most food items will have more than one nutrient. So you may have noticed this while recording your observations. However, in a given raw material, one particular nutrient may be present in larger quantity than in others. For example, rice has more carbohydrates than other nutrients. Thus, we say rice is a carbohydrate rich source of food. Now, what they're trying to tell us is that there can be more than one nutrient in a particular food. There can be carbohydrates, fats, and proteins together in one food, but one source of nutrient is present in larger amount. For example, there are different nutrients in rice. Okay, but has much larger quantity of carbohydrate than any other nutrient. So that's why we say that rice is a carbohydrate rich source of food. Did you understand that? A
Yes, ma'am.
particular food may have more than one nutrient in it. That is, it can have proteins, it can have carbohydrates, it can have fats and vitamins as well. But there is one particular nutrient in which the food is rich in. It has large quantity of that particular nutrient. For example, we have an example of rice. Correct. So rice is a carbohydrate rich source, so that doesn't mean it doesn't have nutrients and minerals. It does have vitamins, minerals, and fat, but it is a carbohydrate rich source. Okay. So, besides all these nutrients, which nutrients did we talk about? We discussed about carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fats. Now, other than these five major nutrients, there are other things that our body needs, and that is dietary fibers and water. Okay. What do we need other than major five nutrients? We need dietary fibers and
And what?
water. Now, where do we get these dietary fibers from? Dietary fibers are also known as, what are dietary fibers known as? They are also known as
Roughage.
roughage. Very good. Okay, and what do? They will help our food push through our digestive system. It will help in pushing the food through our digestive system, so it becomes easy for us to take the waste out of our body. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is roughage? It is mainly provided by plant products in our food. Roughage is provided by plant products, whole grains and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits, and vegetables are main sources of roughage. Which are the main sources of roughage? They are pulses, potato,
Potatoes,
fresh
fresh
fruits,
meat.
vegetables, and main sources of roughage. And roughage is mainly plant source. Okay, no animal food is included in roughage. Keep this very clear in your head. Okay, beta. No animal source is present in roughage. Only plants can provide us with roughage. And what roughage contains? What can it include? It can include whole grains, pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Okay. Roughage
Okay,
does
ma'am.
not provide any nutrient.
Okay, ma'am.
So, can somebody mute your mic?
Ma'am,
Mute your
Tathir.
mics.
Ma'am, Tathir.
Tathir beta, mute your mic. Thank you. So roughage does not provide any nutrient. It is not giving ourselves our body nutrients. Okay, it is just helping our food to get. It helps our body to get rid of undigested food. हम जो food खाते हैं वो कभी कभी digest नहीं होता. तो वो undigested food जो है उसको बाहर निकालने के लिए roughage is very very important. So what does roughage do? It is not providing any nutrients. It is not giving our body anything. It is just helping our body to get rid of undigested food. Okay. Now, other than roughage, water is also very important. Why our parents ask us to drink a lot of water? Because water will help our body to absorb nutrients from food. Okay, isn't it? Nutrients are going to help our body to absorb nutrients from our food. It will also help in throwing out some wastes from body as urine and sweat. Other than that, what is water doing? It is going to help throw the waste of the body through urine. Either it is through urine or it is through sweat. You know what is sweat, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And you know what is urine, right?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So, what does roughage do? Roughage is not providing any nutrients. It will just help our body to get rid of undigested food. And where do we get roughage from? It is provided by mainly plants and wheat, grains, whole grains are the sources of roughage. Other than roughage, our body also needs a lot of water. What is water going to do? It is going to help our body to absorb nutrients. हम जो food खाते हैं उसमें से nutrients हमारे body को लेना पड़ेगा ना. So water is going to help absorb all the nutrients. What is absorbing? That is pulling all the nutrients out of our food. Okay. And other than roughage, our body will also need water, and water is also going to help our body in throwing out some wastes from body as urine and sweat. Okay, clear everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Muskan, can you read activity 3, beta?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I Mahreen?
Wait, beta.
Ma'am,
I
can
asked
I
Muskan. No, beta. I asked already. I asked Muskan. I will let you. I'll tell your name also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Activity 3. Take a tomato or a fruit like lemon. Cut into small pieces. Do your hand get wet while doing so? Carefully observe whenever vegetables and fruits are being cut, peeled, grated, or mashed at your home. Do you find any fresh vegetables or fruits that do not contain some amount of water?
Read
We see
ahead.
that many, yes, ma'am. We see that many food materials themselves contain water. To some extent, our body needs are met by this water. Apart from this, we also add water while cooking many food items.
Okay. So what is activity 3 telling us to do? It is telling that if you take a fruit or a vegetable like tomato or lemon and when you are cutting it into small pieces, is your hand going to get wet? Yes or no? Is your hand going to get wet? Yes or no? While you're
Yes.
cutting tomato and lemon.
Yes, ma'am.
So it means that that fruit or vegetable contains water. That's why our hands are getting wet when we are cutting it. Correct. And do you remember any fruit or vegetable which while cutting our hands do not get wet? जिसको कट करने से हमारे हाथ वेट नहीं होते हैं, ऐसे फूड का नाम पता है? यस.
Ma'am, cabbage.
यस,
Spinach.
कैबेज, वेरी गुड.
Spinach. Spinach.
स्पिनच, ओके.
And
Cabbage,
पोटैटो.
spinach, potato.
कैन इट बी पोटैटो?
ma'am, cabbage, potato,
Yes, okay.
onion.
So the hands when our hands are getting wet, no, watermelon is not the correct answer. Sorry. So when our hands are getting wet while cutting a fruit or a vegetable, it means that our fruit or vegetable has certain amount of water in it which is coming into our hands. So we get water from that also. Besides that, we also put water in cooking. Correct. We put water in rice, we put water in roti, we put water in our curry, and that's how we get water. So all our body needs of water is fulfilled by this. Okay. Then Ima and Fatima, please read balanced diet, beta.
Okay, ma'am. The food we normally eat in the is our diet for growth and mentions of good health. Our
Maintenance.
diet
Maintenance.
maintenance of good health. Our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water such a diet is called balanced diet. Do you think that people of all ages need the same type of diet? Do you also
Ma-
prop,
Properly think that
do you properly think that what we need for a balanced diet would depend on the amount of diet of physical work? What do we do? Prepare a chart of
bus
whatever
beta.
you eat.
Bus beta. So, what is balanced diet? That food we normally eat in a day should have all the nutrients that our body needs. That's why we eat different varieties of food, correct? So,
Excuse
our
me, ma'am.
food, yes,
Ma'am, now can I read?
but I'm
Ma'am, I want to
explaining
read
you
Mehri.
know. I'll let you know
After
when I ask answer that time you are breaking my link. I'm explaining you and you are calling me for reading beta. Is there any important work? हाँ beta. Okay. So the food we normally eat in a day is our diet. Okay. Our diet should contain all the major nutrients that our body should need. So that's why we are eating different kind of food, correct? And the nutrient should be in right quantity. It should be not too much or it should be not too little for the other. Okay, it should be in proper quantity, and the diet should also contain good amount of roughage and water. So our diet, a day-to-day diet, daily diet should have right amount of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, as well as roughage and water. And that is called a balanced diet. Such diet is called a balanced diet. Now, everybody answer me. Do all ages of people need the same type of diet? Do all ages of people need the same type of diet, beta?
no, ma'am.
No. So will your grandmother or grandfather who is old enough can eat the same type of food that you eat? No,
No.
because they have a little weak digestive system, right? So they need that kind of food which is not very hard to digest. Correct. And the food that you eat, will it be okay for a baby which is one year old?
No, ma'am.
No, so the baby will need food which contains proteins. It is going to help the baby to grow well, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So all ages of people do not need the same type of diet. Correct.
Yes.
And is our diet also depending on the physical work that we do? For example, if we are going to the gym, we need a lot of physical work to do. Correct. So our body will need that diet which will provide us energy, which will grow our body well. Okay. And the people who are not doing that kind of work, who are just doing the office work, who are just sitting and talking and doing the work, they do not need the same diet which is going to provide them physical energy. Correct. So our
Yes,
diet
ma'am.
so our diet will also depend on physical work that we do. है ना? So
Yes,
these
ma'am.
things,
Yes, ma'am.
these things we will get from pulses, groundnuts, soya beans, sprouted seeds, fermented foods such as idli, uttappam, and a combination of flours that is mishi, roti, thepla, and all of these cereals and pulses. Also, we get proper diet from bananas, spinach, sattu, jaggery, etc. Available vegetables and other food. So it does not mean to have a balanced diet. We need to buy expensive food. It is available with in our market in very cheap amount. Correct? In very cheap price. So it is not important to buy expensive food to have a balanced diet. Correct? Okay. So eating the right kind of food is also not enough. Now what is the textbook telling us? That eating the right kind of food. So if we buy all of the above things and eat it, that is also not enough. We need to cook our food well. If we cook too much, if we cook our food too much, then it is going to lose all the proteins and vitamins and nutrients. Correct? वो सब जल जाएंगे ना अगर बहुत पकाएंगे तो, है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It
If
is
we
right, ma'am.
Yes. So, and also if we keep washing our food before cooking it, then also it is going to wash away all the nutrients. If we wash our rice 5 times before cooking the rice, then all the nutrients and proteins are going to go away from the rice. It will drain with water. Okay, so that is also not good. Correct? Yes, Kulshum beta,
So,
read.
ma'am, I have
Eating the
one
right
question.
kind
Can
of
I
food.
ask?
Yes, beta.
Mubaraka, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have one question, ma'am. Can I ask?
Yes, first ask the question beta, then the other person can talk.
You are telling that nutrient and go. In this time, we have to push everything, food, every food and food items. How to
Yes.
how?
Yes, that is very important right now. Washing food and hands is very important right now because it is the virus that is affecting us. It is coronavirus and that is present in the atmosphere. That's why we need to wash it. Wash it very well. We need to wash it with
Mubaraka
salt
ma'am,
also. Yes.
I want a doubt.
Yes, but I'm
I'm trying.
explaining her doubt. Let me explain her doubt and then you can say, okay, beta?
Okay.
So, did you understand what I'm trying to tell you? That because in this condition, the situation is about coronavirus and COVID 19, that's why we need to wash our fruits and vegetables because we do not know that who has touched it, who has taken it and kept it, from where it has come. That's why we are making ourselves sure that it is free of germs and virus. Okay. So, right now, it is very, very important to wash it before using. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. What doubts you have, beta?
Myself, Nirafa. I
Yes,
want
beta, beta.
not explain that two last paragraph
Last paragraph
means
about pulses.
yes,
Pulses
ma'am.
wala paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Just the names of the food which can give us all the major nutrients are given. That is pulses, groundnuts, soya beans, sprouted seeds, idli. Fermented foods means idli, uttapam. All those are fermented food. Dosa. Okay. And a combination of flours मतलब जो आटा होता है ना उन सबका combination उससे मिस्सी रोटी बनती है थेपला बनता है cereals pulses all these things are made from flours. Then banana spinach sattu jaggery also are good source of nutrients, and it is not necessary to buy expensive food for a balanced diet. We can have it from these vegetables which are easily available around us. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, your doubt
Thank
is
you.
clear. All
Yes,
of
ma'am.
your doubts are clear, beta. Any other doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am,
ma'am.
no doubts.
Okay, yeah, Salwan Kulsum, beta. Read. Eating the right kind of food.
Yes, ma'am.
Read, beta.
Eat the right kids of the food is not enough in it should also be
Should be
cooking. Should be
cooked,
cooking. Cook problem so that
cooked
it
properly.
cook properly so that its nutrients are not lost. Are you what is it?
Aware.
Aware that some nutrients get lost in the profit
Process. Process of
process cooking and
preparation.
prepares preparation if the vegetables and fruit are washed after cutting your
In the
peeling
peeling them.
in
Bus. Bus, bus.
peeling it.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So I've already explained you this. Any doubts,
Ma'am,
beta? Huh?
No, ma'am.
no,
ma'am, can I
Can
read
I read
Maherin
ma'am?
now?
Zoha Kadri,
Ma'am, my
Zoha
turn is
Kadri, can
not
I
come,
read?
Mahrin.
Ma'am, my turn is also not come.
Beta
Ma'am, my
lecture
turn
is
is
getting
also not
over.
come.
Now from next lecture we are going to write the name of
Alicia.
whosoever you want to read, okay?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, beta. So we will be finishing our chapter soon and you will get the PDF of question and answers, okay? And if you want,
Okay,
no,
ma'am.
I'll complete the chapter and then send you the PDF, otherwise you will get
Ma'am, I
confused.
have sent you the PDF of Science Fair book again.
Okay, beta.
Sheikh
Everybody please
Mahrin.
send me the okay.
Ma'am, I will
Ma'am,
send again. Alina
Ma'am,
Kholia.
I have signed it.
I will send
Okay.
you.
Sheikh Merin has sent already. Alina Kholia, you send me. Please write your name below, okay, beta? So that I can note down.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And your homework for today is, did you learn the tests I asked you to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to write the test for starch, protein, and fats in your rough book for one time, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, by heart or from textbook?
From textbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, girls, bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am. Have a
Bye bye,
wonderful
ma'am. Have
day.
a wonderful day.
Bye,
Bye,
beta.
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Nice
beta.
Have a
day.
fantastic
Bye,
day.
ma'am.